Alright, here we go. I just gonna check the feet per second on these Bps Slugs. They're showing not really showing anything. So we're gonna get the feet per second. Shooting out the Rossi 410 single shot, smooth bore. Alright, we got 1440, 1375, and we'll do one more final shot. That definitely, I'll show you all that here in a second. That one came up totally different. And 1440 again. Wow. So 1440, 1440, and 1375, which 5, 11, 15, 8, 11, 12, 3, 4, 42 divided by 3, and that is 1, 12, that's 4, drop that, this one, about 1410 is what we're averaging per feet per second. And let me just show y'all. There you go, you can tell. Alright, as you can see, those three are shiny. The one closest to my thumb, it's got the black dot in the middle. It actually punched through the primer, blew a little bit back. That was the one, it was only shooting 167 feet per second. Just wanted to show y'all that. For the non-believers, 1440. Smooth bore, Rossi single shot.